Did you know whale milk is so thick it doesn't even dissolve in water? It's like toothpaste, up to 50% fat. You might think that's strange, but it's perfect by design. Whales nurse underwater, so if their milk was thin like a cow's, it would just drift away. Instead, it's thick enough to go directly into the calf's mouth, feeding it in the most impossible environment. That same milk helps a baby whale gain 90 kilograms a day. When provision is written, it reaches you with precision. Even in the depths of the ocean, a mother's milk reaches her child exactly as it's meant to. So the next time you worry about your provision, remember the whale in the ocean. What's written for you will reach you even in places you never imagined.